I'm not even gonna ask y'all how this looks on me because I know it looks phenomenal. Y'all, who came with the bundles today? Who came with the bundles today? Listen. Ooh, child. Oh, hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Wig Types. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into my install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the plane, all things are burning up. Bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in a plane. Our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners. We keep pushing more and more.
This is giving human hair, if I must say so myself. Ooh, child, you look good. So like I said, this unit was sent to us by Wig Types. It is brand new from the Outre Melted Hairline series. This is the unit Dione. I got her in two colors, but the first one we're going to talk about is one that I have on my head right now, and this is DRFF Red Velvet. This is what her card looks like, and this unit does retail around that $47 to $50 price point, depending on the color that you choose to get for your unit. Now, this unit does come, like I said, with the melted hairline, so you do get that ashy lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. Just like all the other ones, it does come with the attached elastic band, but I did go ahead and cut mine out as you saw in my install, because y'all already know, big head gang I am. Okay, so I can't do the elastic band in this unit. My temples be pulsating. I can't do that. No concussions, okay, this summer. Okay, it's already hot. I can't do the temples and the concussion with the hot. No. Now, this unit does come in 20 inches, and it is a heat resistant fiber. It is giving a little yak right here in the front. I would definitely say in the back it does feel a little bit silkier than the front, but you know, I'm not mad at it. It's still giving me the looks that I want, so you know, quiet. And shout out to my girl Faith, aka Still Looking Good 58. She reviewed this unit in the same color and she looked amazing in it, and she's the reason why I turned mine to the side. I was initially going to wear mine, you know, just straight back middle part, like you know how it comes out the pack, but I was like, you know what, if she can do it, so can I. Okay, and if I can do it, so can you. Okay, listen. So I went on and bust down the side part, and I like it. Now, if you watched my install, you saw that I did go ahead and pluck through my hairline because it wasn't really giving me melted hairline, but you know, we've been here before. We've been telling Outre want a better hairline. They not really listening as much, okay, but they listen a little bit. So, you know, it wasn't blocky or nothing, but it wasn't giving me what I'm used to for this series. At this point, I'ma still do what I need to do. I'm still gonna go in and tweeze and pull and pluck and do what I gotta do for my wig. So if you wanna do the same thing, go ahead and do your thing. It does come with some baby hairs, but I wasn't really feeling the baby hairs on me, so I just kinda, you know, just swished them, you know, around my hairline like I normally do, and this is how we sit. Now, the parting space does come straight back, again, because it is a middle part. However, because I changed mine to the side part, I had to curve mine a little bit to give me more of a natural look, and it does kind of pinch the parting space a little bit when you do that, so be mindful of of that, you may want to go in and pull some of the hair out. I didn't do that on my part in space, but if I decide to wear this unit out again, I more than likely will do that. Y'all saw that I didn't spray anything down. I'm wearing this glueless. It's hot outside. I don't got time for the spray melting down my face. I can't do it. But all in all, I'm really feeling this wig on me. The color does it for me. Okay, chef's kiss. Mwah. Outre, the stock card and the wig, you know, it matches. Okay, look. I'm not even gonna ask y'all how this looks on me because I know it looks phenomenal. I am feeling myself in this wig and this color. It looks good. But let's go ahead and get into that sandy blonde because I feel like it's gonna give me rich auntie vibes, and I'm just I'm gonna be outside. I'm gonna be outside. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time.
Okay. What are we thinking? I need to know what we're thinking about this one because I'm not quite sure. Already you can tell that I'm a little like I'm a little on the fence. Hold on, I got a piece of hair somewhere in my glasses. I can see it. There it is. Hold, where is that? Oh Lord. Okay, so this is the DR4 Sandy Blonde color. I didn't show you guys the other ones on the back. This unit does come in more specialty colors, so if you want to check those out, you can. This Sandy Blonde color, I don't know if I like her in this wig, only because, like I told you guys in the red velvet, there's two different textures on this wig. So you definitely got the yak in the front, but in the back is more silky. I know you guys can see it now. From about here to the front is yak, and then here back is that silkier texture. It's definitely giving off a more shiny type of silky look, and it's not flowing the same way I feel like that burgundy, not burgundy, but you know, the red velvet was kind of, you know, flowing in my opinion. I feel like the darker color kind of made it more forgiving than this lighter color. So, you know, be mindful of that. The curls on this one were also not flowing the same way the burgundy wine was. I keep saying burgundy wine, red velvet. So I had to brush this a lot to get it, you know, to shape it for me. Now I didn't mention it in the red velvet lay down, but I did use my contour shade around my hairline because the lace does come off a little ashy, especially because I'm not spraying this unit down. I'm rocking both these units glueless. In the sunlight, I will tell you, you will see this, okay? Because it's not melted down, it's just on my skin. The red velvet definitely had a more open parting space and hairline in my opinion, but as you saw in my put down, I did go ahead and just pull out some of the hair in my parting space and tweeze out some of the hair in the front. And then I just kind of switched the hair around my hairline to give me more of a natural look for me, and that was it. I already know which one I like the most on me, but you guys tell me which one you like the most on me. I think I already know, okay? But y'all been surprising me lately, so you know, I don't know. But y'all tell me down below which one you like the most on me. This side is not giving me, it's not giving me what I want her to give me. I'm so disappointed. I saved this color for last because I knew I was gonna like the red velvet, and this one, did you waste my time, sis? Did you waste my time? That red velvet is definitely a winner for me. It will also be a winner in a natural color, so a number 2 or a 1 or a 1B. Listen, 1 second. Let me go ahead and get that one, okay? This color may be one of the ones that I gotta sit in the pack and, you know, kind of rough her up a little bit, get a little bop bop. And then she'll probably lay the way I need her to lay. This may be a bedroom wig. If you just gave me one texture all the way around this, God damn. Get out. Oh, that man scaring me, y'all. Lord Jesus. Okay, so anyway, shout out one more time to Wig Types for sending me these units. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.